Mr. Acevedo, come forward.
It's not pleasant. Okay.
All right, so Mr. Acevedo, what happened on your motion to revoke out of misdemeanor court?
Well, I got revoked, and I'm really good at getting half the part as speeches, so I spent the shortest year in jail possible. But other than that, yes, it was. Done the first DWI, and I'm
Okay.
very lining position.
All right, so where are you staying?
I'm currently staying at 1835 Blockville.
Well, no. I mean, who are you staying with? That's my...
Here's the twist. This isn't casual chit-chat. The judge is digging into a bigger problem, unstable housing. Believe it or not having a steady place to live can be the difference between rehab and a prison cell. What do you think? Should a zip code decide a person's future?
Like, in terms of partner, it's complicated.
And when you say former partner, is this someone you used to date?
It's...
And I'm asking you...
In terms of the actions of myself and as well as the circumstances throughout the last few years have turned the relationship rather sour.
All right, so do you have some place else to stay?
Not realistically, no. I mean, I did, to show the court, I did apply for an Oxford house, ironically yesterday, and so they rejected me mainly because of the situation, obviously, going to court tomorrow. You understand how it can.
He straight up admits the relationship went sour, and that's where the drama kicks in. Staying with an ex while on probation isn't just messy, it's a legal landmine. So what's your take? Is this bad luck piling up, or bad decisions catching up?
Sometimes, obviously, it doesn't really make too much sense to go, hey, I'm going to an Oxford house, and, oh yeah, by the way, you're going to spend 5 PT, but ultimately, I do for now, but should something arise, like let's say, like I explained to the person, it's okay if I do. I'm not trying to ranch necessarily. I would like to at least elaborate on the situation.
No. I appreciate your communicating with me.
But yes, as I explained to the person discussing financial situation, I'm effectively pulling an Anne Frank in the situation. Clearly, through my record as well as the hospital police.
What do you mean you're pulling an Anne Frank?
That means I'm hiding effectively on the situation. But they found me out recently how I told us in the original situation, and while
all right, so let me ask you this: what about lifetime recovery? Have you tried there?
Funny anecdote. Me and my father, when he was still alive, tried in 2015, and then he saw me pull that, and then he thought, "Oh boy, that's gonna be fun." And then he managed to play up $50,000 real quick for Farmer Ridge. Worked really well for 6 years up until the whole dying bit. But I have not.
Everyone, please whisper. Yes.
But it is something I'm looking to pursue. Ultimately, I mean, I could ask down there to see if they, family, friends, not too much family left after that incident. But, to say about something else, but it is something that I'm willing to pursue, though. I'm going to have to play Rehab Prison Edition there, so.
What is Rehab Prison Edition?
Really decent enough time to buy the bar if you can. I mean, granted, obviously, it'd be very profitable for a judge to spend so much time there, but there's a lot more wheeling and dealing and a little more of a undercurrent of convict justice that might go on in certain environments. It's like pretty tough role, you know. Like, I mean, to be fair, most people do go to lifetime do have criminal records, including myself, so it's just more of a commentary. But let's move on from that.
Did you hear that? He cracks a joke about Rehab Prison Edition. Funny on the surface, but it hits a nerve too often. Prison ends up being the stand-in for treatment. So here's a question. Should courts double down on real recovery options? Or is that just a nice idea with no teeth?
Obviously, I'm just engaging in trying to find the right time. But yeah, so long story short, yeah, lifetime.
All right, because here's the issue. You're telling me that you're living with someone. You're not supposed to be living there because you're not on the lease. And if you do, I'm assuming that the person who's living there may be evicted, which would mean you would be in a homeless situation. So is there an issue for you if the court were to order lifetime recovery? That's what I'm trying to figure out, because I'm trying to figure out a place for you to stay.
I honestly do not know. That's what I was asking my probation officer for approximately 3 months until I ended up at 80 years old. But I did have the finances and resources I went from about $4,000 capital, which is not much, but hey, it's something. I mean, you can do something with that.
Yes.
It's hard to paying over $1,800 a month at a cheap motel, and I mean.
So, well, this is what we're going to do. Probation, he needs to find a place to stay. Obviously, he can't be staying at this apartment when he's not on the lease, and if he's found out to be there and not on the lease, the person he's staying with is going to get evicted, and that's going to cause relationships problems. So, if you can see if you set him up and see if he can be interviewed for lifetime recovery, I will order lifetime recovery. And if that doesn't work, just see what else is available. All right, and obviously,
And there it is, the turning point. The judge makes it clear. Go to lifetime recovery or face homelessness and eviction fallout. It's a tightrope between protecting others and keeping him afloat. What's your call? Is this tough love or crossing the line?
Throughout the short time that I've been on this probation, it just seems like a panacea to all conflicts, the default solution to everything. Well, you have housing loans, go to me.
Well, we're starting you with lifetime recovery, okay?
I understand, but I am just still trying to pursue an Oxford house. I'm around it. Watching did that first time around the being lost.
All right, if lifetime recovery doesn't accept him, see if Oxford House. All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Your patience, and sorry about the whole drug use kind of anyway, I know there's something happening.
All right, you're welcome. Just do better, okay? All right, who is here on Arnold Levia or Leva?
Here it comes, the familiar frustration. He claims Haven for Hope is a go-to, one-size-fits-all fix. But think about it. If every problem in your life got the same solution, would you feel truly helped or just brushed off?
Come forward.
The judge closes with 3 words, just do better. Sounds simple, almost throwaway, but that's the heart of it. Probation, recovery, second chances, they all hinge on that challenge. So what do you think? Is he ready to step up or headed for the same cycle all over again?
Mr. Sympathy, will you come back, please?